canvas for a new app. Does that sound simple and clear enough, right? The next question that you ask yourself when you start is that, where is the data? I'm not sure this is very clear, but this is get the data. The next thing is, where's the data? So if you do not have the data to help you answer the question, you cannot do anything in analytics. Nothing. You can't do nothing. So if you're trying to answer that question, how do I get more customers? You need to ask yourself that, do I have the data that supports me to answer that question? If not, you go back and tell yourself that that's not the question I need to answer. That's not the problem I need to solve. And when you move away from the, let's say that in this case now, we build the job now, we have maybe data from people that, let's say we come to a GTA conference like this and we have people that sign up, right? Or maybe they didn't sign up for the app, or maybe they certified it, they passed out flyers, right? And we got phone numbers. Let's just assume. So can we say we have a bit of data or registration from those who have signed up for this conference? And then let's say there's a consent, and I'm jumping a bit because when you get data into this age, you need consent to be able to use that data. All right? You need consent. I know that NITDA were part of this particular conference. I don't know whether they had any sessions, so consent is important. So let's say that you've gotten the data, all right, of those customers that are probably potentials for the app, right? You move next, data exploration. You need to look at data and see whether it is usable. For those of you that are probably a bit familiar with some data cleaning, you might have missing values, right? Null, mismatches, okay? And some of you that have done computer science here, garbage in, garbage out, it applies. If the data is horrible, the analysis would be not even horrible, it won't be useful. It won't be. So you need to explore the data and be sure that it is usable. Then you move to cleaning. You probably need to clean it if it's not usable. That's where you can clean in Python, clean in Excel, clean in SQL. It depends. It's not really a function of the tool you use at this point, but maybe the size of the data and the question you're trying to answer. We move over the analysis. This is where a lot of people just take their chair and sit.
About the 10 tips to upgrade your business, the 10 tips to use to upgrade your business. So we are going to take the program to another level. So you'll be looking at the 10 tips on how to upgrade your business. So let's go there. Okay, the first stage, the first stage to use to improve your business is setting your regular goals. For instance, before you order your day, you need to look at your goal of the day. For instance, if you are supposed to visit an organization, you have to look at your target customers, your main customers. You need to look at the goal of the day before getting the feedback. So if your feedback is either positive or negative, you do not have to keep disturbing the customers. You understand? You look at your feedback. So you just lay down that feedback on your business report. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So now, the third tip is that you get in touch with your network. How do you get in touch with your network? You can actually refer to people through your network, not staying on each programs, like watching videos always. You can connect with your referrals. That means you get in touch with your network. Then you utilize your company's resources. How do you utilize your company's resources? It means that you have to be satisfied with your company resources. So we will be looking at different sections where you can choose to upgrade your business when we are going alongside with this vision. So now we'll be looking at take the challenge. No matter how the challenges are, you need to take the challenge. How do you take your challenge? You focus on how to define your weakness and bring out your strength and opportunity. Do you understand? So keep reading. You need to read on your specific areas of upgrade. So you get curious about your industry. If you are a tech person, you'll be curious on what to deliver using the patent authorized guidelines. So you can actually be curious about your industry. So if you are looking at the flooding industry, okay, thank you. So if you are looking at the flooding industry, do you get what I'm trying to say? You get curious about your industry using your specific sections. So this next step is write often. Be able to write very well. Learn more to be fluent in your writing. Participate in workshop. Hello? Can you hear me very well? Yeah. Okay. So participate in workshop and train programs on your specific sections. So now you get organized every day. So you organize yourself before you step to the institute or organization you want to work with. So that's it. So let's look at the next stage, please. So those are the tips you can use to upgrade your business. So that's it. Let's go to the next track. So under Estate Smart Incorporation, we have, sorry about this, please. Under Estate Smart Incorporation, we have all these sections provided for you. So we have law office template software. This is software that gives the authenticity of your document. That you should abandon Microsoft Word. What I'm trying to say is that Microsoft Word is good for maybe writing of your proposals, introduction of your business. But when you talk about you want to seal an agreement with your client, you can use law software. So what are we saying? Using law software, you can actually get an authentic document in terms of, you can see, you can get your original document. So what I'm trying to say, law software by Estate Smart is helpful so that your documents will not be forged on the long run and the short run. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So there is one that you can use for your business reports, and there is one that you can use for an agreement. So what I'm trying to say, if you're a lawyer, you don't need to look at what the client is giving you. State your offer. Do you understand? With law software, it has an authentic template. You can see, this is the way it looks like. You can see, you can write your template. You know, a business agreement, standard one, you can write different forms of templates. So what I'm trying to say is that if you are charging your clients 100,000 naira for instance, I'm just giving you an example. You are charging your client 100,000 naira for Microsoft Word template. You should be charging your customer as much as 500 or 1 million upwards with this, because on the long run they can't forge it. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it will deliver immediately you write documents. So it has a specific date. The date will drop, and that specific date you are writing the document, it will drop on your Microsoft Word. I mean, law software. You know, normally Microsoft Word, you don't need to have an authentic document like this. You know, what I'm trying to say is that Microsoft Word is kind of okay when you are doing your proposal or introduction of your business. But an authentic document, in terms of authentic document, law software is better. So that's it. So, do you understand what I'm trying to say? So let's move to the next stage. Those are the ways you can upgrade your business. You can scale up your business. So we have donate credits. You can find lost software under future job detection operating online, but you can't find it on Apple Store. Why? Because we refer people to it. So it's always found online. So you just browse future jobs detection to find the software. So it's a money making platform. So now, if you want to donate credit, you are making an active account if you are donating credit. Why are you donating credit? You are donating credit to have an active account. The second thing is that you are donating credit to have the privilege to make use of the platform. Do you understand? So we have website builder package 1, that's the starter package, and we have website builder package 2, that's the expert package. So those packages are packages that you can use if you're an IT person to boost your business. You understand? You want people to create websites under your platform. So you can use those packages as an IT professional or a computer scientist or anything that is related to computer. So those are the ways you can scale up your business. We have traceable payments receipts. It's good for business people. Traceable payments receipts. Why is it good? You can actually print out your receipt. You understand? Which you can trace. You understand? And on the other side, you can actually get involved in customers' engagement. So your clients will be engaged, during the holidays period. So they can get engaged just the way you do your bulk messages. So it's like 2-in-1 package. So you can print out your day-to-day receipts with traceable payments receipts. Do you understand? You can trace it as well so that they will not spoil your business for you, and it helps in clients' engagement as well. So we have People's Econometric Check. This People's Econometric Check is a 4-mil system that helps you to identify fake callers. Do you get? You can identify fake callers. So if you are working under security company, you can use phone bill. If you are working under security company, you can use phone bill. Am I clear? Do you understand my explanation? So let's go to the next illustration. The next illustration, please. Okay, now we are looking at People's Econometric Check, which is e-video bill. So if you are working under maybe broadcasting industry, maybe in the military environment, you can use video bill, e-video bill. What is it used for? Like, for instance, if you don't want people to spoof your video bill, you can use e-video bill. Do you understand? So if you are using e-video bill, you can actually get your video unspoofed. It's an anti-spoofing system. What do I mean by spoofing? People can forge your video. Do you get? So when you are using e-video bill, you are actually telling them that there's no way you can spoof my video. Do you get? The same thing with the phone bill that you just left now. Phone bill means that it will identify fake callers. So if people are trying to scam you, you understand? So you can actually figure it out that this is a scammer. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So you'll be able to order your day without distraction. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? You're able to order your day without distraction. So when you are making calls, you can focus on your working environment without distraction by someone that is doing some irrelevant functions. So these we are looking at these were the. I'm going to answer your questions. And okay, you can see we have star system, we have the signing part of it. So if you are registering for sign a star system, that's a sign of price. Price is like you want to get more money with the star sign-up system. Like you want to make more than 100,000 upwards to 500,000. You can go for the star system. So the exciting part of it is that once you know your real course, department and school wants, you can use your order code to get more money. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So what I'm trying to say, we are using this to enable people to have an extra income or to run extra finances. So that's it. Oh yeah, let's move away from this place, please. No, okay. No, not this one, please. Okay, now we are looking at. Okay, this now is very, very interesting. You can upload your property and item for free. We have about millions of people watching us, so you can upload your property for free here. Then you can actually do the MMO system, that's the Mechanic Management Organization System. So you'll be able to save up for your car repairs, vehicle repairs, and everything. So we have qualified choices, econometric check. Those are for the researchers. So we'll be training people on those researching methodology. So that's it. So we'll be looking at web services and courses. You can obtain courses as low as 5,000 naira weekly, just to have knowledge on mathematics into an object, all those things. You want to have, you want to understand mathematics deeply, relating it to production management and everything. So you can apply it, you can obtain a course there. So do you have any question? Okay, thanks. Let me hear your question.
Your target audience and then how it benefits you, because that's basically why yeah. So secondly, I would also like to further explain you just mentioned collaboration, so how we can work with you. So I would like to elaborate a little bit more on that.
Okay, we economy. I mentioned our target audience. Your audience are your customers. So you are not doing these services for our interest alone. You are doing it for your own interest. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So what I'm trying to say is that we are giving you this technology to scale up your business for your audience, engagement, customers engagement, and
present to you what we have in Africa. Photographer, please.